Hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess. Welcome to another one of my Info Pro Con reviews. Today, we're looking at the YUNZII AL98. As always, let's start with the unboxing. Inside, you'll find a manual, a switch and keycap puller, some extra switches, and spare keycaps, which is always a nice touch. For switches, I went with the YUNZII Cocoa Cream Linears. They're one of my favorites across my boards. Smooth, pre-lubed, and they sound buttery right out of the box. Here is the star of the show, the AL98. The first thing to notice is this is a solid aluminum case. Compared to plastic, aluminum not only feels sturdy and more durable, but it gives you a satisfying weight on your desk, and it also improves acoustics, creating a deeper, more premium sound profile. Compact 1800 layout gives you a numpad without taking up space of a full-size board. The gasket mount design and 5 layers of cushion makes typing feel soft and bouncy. And can we talk about this pink colorway? It is gorgeous. YUNZII even tucked the wireless dongle into a hidden magnetic slot to keep everything clean and aesthetic. On the feature side, you've got tri-mode connectivity, and you can pair with up to 5 devices. The huge 8,000 milliamp battery means you won't be charging often. What stood out for me is the premium aluminum build, the stunning pink finish. I also love the hidden dongle and storage and flexible tri-mode connectivity with the long-lasting battery. Things to keep in mind, the aluminum case makes it a bit heavier, so it's not the most portable. What makes the YUNZII AL98 stand out is the massive 8,000 milliamp battery, which is not super common in mechanical keyboards. Add to that the solid aluminum build, the unique pink colorway, tri-mode connectivity, and the fact that it's currently 25% off, and you've got something special here. Overall, the AL98 is a gorgeous premium keyboard that blends beauty with performance. Definitely one to add to your collection.